Hi, friends. I have today a very important video to make. First aid kit. What we have to put in our first aid kit, um, and why it's very important. When we are having a home daycare or even your own home, any business, you need to have a first aid kit. In the childcare, we are supposed to have some stuff in our first aid kit which are necessary. I will read those and we will see do I have those. So you will know that first aid kit, we have a guideline. First aid kit must include the following or suitable alternatives: individually packed gauze pads. So you could see that I do have um, so many. Uh, there are too many inside this bag. It's better to keep quite a few, not one or two or three. So yeah, I do have many. Uh, just because you never know which emergency will happen. Uh, then it's written that roll of gauze bandages. So I do have those also, different sizes. It has to be uh, many. So I do have that. Then band-aids, assorted sizes. So I do have assorted sizes band-aids. Then tape. So I do have the tape, not one, even two. And then alcohol wipes. I have many. I just put two here. Triangular bandages. So I do have like three here. Then you should have scissors. So I do have a special scissors for a first aid kit. Um, then disposable gloves. This is one bag of disposable gloves, but I usually try to keep many. Right now I'm just showing you this bag. Then you need tweezers. So it's already packed, so I am keeping it here. It's very good when you the child will have some sometimes you will see that when they are going outside, uh, they do need these to take the sprinters out, and then safety pins. That's also very good to tie up those roll of gauze, and different uses like the triangular bandages when we are putting. Then also we need those safety pins. Then we do need a pencil and pad. So I do have the pencil and pad. The other thing which they said, the emergency telephone numbers. I usually keep my emergency phone numbers with my clipboard, like sign-in sheet. You could see that in my another video. Um, then it's written that you need to have some money for if you need to call emergency numbers. So just in case, so I kept the change, because currency notes, sometimes that's not going in those uh, um, phone sets. So you need to have this. Now, after that, it's written the following supplies may also be included. A barrier to used for resuscitation. So I do have that. Then it's written that distilled water and a blanket. So this is the emergency blanket. Just for example, you could see that, and it's written that The emergency first aid blanket with 100 uses, and keeps in body warmth, keep out cold, snow, wind, and rain. Emergency shelter, distress reflection blanket, lightweight, less than 3 ounces. So it's a very good blanket. But now we will see what are the things which are not recommended, but if you will put it in your first aid kit, it will be good. One thing is tissue box. It's for me, it's very necessary when you are going outside in the playground and anywhere. Sometimes you have to wipe off children's nose. Um, a torch, really good thing. Uh, Face mask, as many as you could. COVID came, and after that, it's life was horrible. Still, we can hear COVID cases, so it's better to keep the face mask, extra face mask, band-aids, extra, some extra first aid kit stuff. You will check whatever is useful, tampons, biohazard bag, uh, sanitary pads, waterless skin and hand cleaner, different gauzes and bandages, different fabric. This is, I think, fabric bandage solution, elastic support bandage, um, rapid cold power of relief, instant cold pack, different things you could put. Now what I'm going to do, we are going to put everything in the first aid kit. You will think that it's too much. How we can do that? We can do that, no problem. So I will put these. These are going in the first aid kit, the small one, but it's always good, as I said, that keep extra stuff. It's good, keep them together. Okay, so this will go here, this goes here, I like to put the tissue box or Kleenex at the end, because that's the most desirable stuff. And water bottle always keep out, because you know that it can spill, break the bottle, and then it will spill. So see, it's done. And same way we have to make the other one. I don't have to do the same exercise again, but I can show you that this also have the same kind of stuff. again I put the same way. You could see some stuff here, but same way I put the things. In this it's big, so I can put extra stuff easily. Um, but you if you are going on a walk or something, this is not a good idea. It is always good to keep the backpack with you when you are going outside. And that is why I put the blanket and water here. I didn't put the blanket and water here because in this, it's only for my own backyard or front yard. Okay, thank you. I hope you did enjoy and you learned new things or refresh your mind. Thank you. Good evening. I hope you like this video. Thank you.